Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, Rifki here, and today in this video, we are going to make the product card. But before you make the card, uh, you make the it containers first. Okay, so here we have product container, mm, and this two container, and then this is title, and then we are going to put our product card inside this product grid. If we see the CSS of it, let me show you the CSS. Mm, Alright, so this the product main, which is here, this one. So to make it responsive, we are going to use grid. So every time I resize the screen, it will fit into two items. 3 and 4. Okay, and now the card, uh, the product card itself will look like this. Uh, so now we wrap the cards with anchor tag here. So whenever we click the card, it will link to uh, what is it, specific page of the product. Alright, so here we click this. Well, I haven't linked to any. Still, the link is still blank. I haven't linked to anywhere. So, but if you click this, it will link. Okay, so in our card we have the image and you can put price here and the descriptions below it, the star, and when you hover it, it will zoom in and the wish list and the cart will show up. Okay, to make that, here we have the image. Firstly, we warp them in the diff again, a showcase banner. This is for the cart, which is the top of it. Mm, and it, and then this is for the label, as you can see here. That's for the label, and showcase action is whenever you hover, the thing will show there. So this banner is contain the image and the what is it the banner and the button whenever it's hover. Alright, so now the content, which is the below the banner. Mm, So we have category. We put it inside a anchor tag, and also description, the description, and then the stars is for the stars. This still in static, but in further development, we are going to make it dynamic, and then this content for the press box, which is this button right here. Uh, let's see the CSS. Hold on. All right, all right. Where is the CSS? And from that, I think I haven't pushed it into a repo. Hold on. Be right back. Okay, never mind. Okay, I just oh okay. So my bad. So the CSS is in the catalog. Okay, is here. Okay, so where's the card? Mm, 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 mm. Definitely, where is the card? Guys? Okay, well, I think I haven't. Ah, here is it. Okay, so showcase class. Here. When it's over, as I said before, it will zoom in and the button will show up from the right side. Here we use transform properties and the value is scaled. That's how the image is zoomed in whenever you hover it. And then here the showcase button. Firstly, we make the button is firstly we make it its position is absolute. Yes, the showcase action, and then absolute, and then transform translate x 50 pixels, which is will be hidden in the right side, and when it's hover, it will be going back. It will show up. It will going to back to its actual place, which is before transform in here, but which is its first condition is transform 50px. It's probably hidden. It's nowhere of here, and whenever it's hovered, the transform is going to be 0 and going to back into its first place. Okay. Mm, I think that's all for the product card. I think are they explained all. Mm, okay. See you next in my next tutorial. Bye. See you soon.